Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new and viewing, today I'm installing a wig that I have been itching to install for a minute, but life has just been a little bit crazy lately that I haven't got the chance to just sit down, relax, and take my time with the wig install. So yes, this is she is what I am reviewing today. This is Sensationnel's Butta Lace Human Hair Blend Wig. This was in Curly Body 26. Yes, 26. I have it in the color 1. I also have it in the color 2. And one is just like jet black. The other one, 2, off brown. So I'm just trying to see which one I want to go with. I'm going to do 1 because I kind of want to see what jet black is going to look like. The goal today for the install is glueless, no baby hairs. So we're going to see how this goes. You know, we're just going to go with the flow though, but that is the goal of what I'm trying to get at. So let's pop her open, shall we? This is giving human hair realness, okay? Forget that human hair blend. This is just giving human hair in general with a nice little hint of texture, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and spray this lace, tint it a little bit. Just eyeballing this, I feel like it has a lot of space. So I am going to close this up a little bit, the adjustable straps, to make it a little bit tighter fit, because we definitely want glueless all the way. It's giving good vibes so far. Let's keep going. I don't know, y'all. I'm like eyeballing it. I think it's gonna have to get plucked. It's not giving thin enough. It's still too full to me. Just a small plug.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for every, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Pretty flat. They look pretty good, I'd say. Now let's focus on getting this hair together. I'm trying to figure out, do I brush it? Do I comb it? Which one should I do so, you know, it doesn't lose the wave and curl that it has? I've tangled this up in here. I'm gonna do like finger movement first, just to see what I can get out of it in what style without it looking too crazy. So I just have a feeling this is probably going to lose a lot of what I have a feeling it's just going to lose a lot of the curl that it has.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for every, wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Till I cried up to the side of my mountain until you
Alright you guys, so we have the wig installed. Let me do a little zoom out for you so you can see the full length 26 inches. I just want you guys to be able to see how long this wig is. She's really pretty. It's a slay for sure. I love that I was able to install this wig with no baby hairs and with no glue. And I just had to pluck out the hairline because, like I said, the hairline was just a little too dense. Okay? It was just a little too full in there. But you know, once you do your customization, it comes together. Okay? This wig is giving me like I need a dinner date night. And I need to be in like a real pretty red dress, or even maybe something that's a little solid and slick with a good red lip. Do you get the vibes I'm going for? Like, I feel like it would be real cute. This hair is nice and full. It has really good texture to it. It just feels very texturized and soft, yet it just feels very realistic, and I like that. And I like the curls of it, you know. I do feel like they fell a little bit once I had to kind of comb it out a little bit with my hands when I was plucking it. But since it's a human hair blend wig and you can't add heat to it, if you need to like vamp up your curls, I think that will work great. And you know what else? If you use some flexi rods, y'all bet that's gonna make this wig fire. Wrap this wig up in some flexi rods one night, take them out the next day, I bet it's gonna be fire. You know what? I'm gonna actually try that out on this wig because I think they'll be too cute. It will get them curls right back like you need them to be. But overall, 10 out of 10 wig. This is fire. Big head friendly, no shedding and tangling. Like, I like her. This is cute. You get some kisses from me. But that's all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you to Sensational for sending over today's wig, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.